Division, UDX 483, QRZ. Roger. Division, UDX 483, QRZ.
483,
yeah, I've got a signal coming up and down. You were booming on 555, but it's fluctuating here.
Okay, I have a QRM. I have QRM 483.
Roger, I do believe we have spoken before. My call is to Uniform Delta X-Ray number 4, number 8, number 3. Operator is Steve, Sierra Tango Echo Victor Echo, QSL.
Okay, Steve, to Uniform Delta X-Ray 483, 34 Alpha Bravo 01. My name is Santi, Steve, Sierra Alpha November Tango India. Your position 587, QSL.
Roger, Santi. I'm almost positive we've spoken before. I haven't gotten into my log yet here, but I've got you 5758 here in the South Carolina. I'm 30 miles west of the east coast of South Carolina, just outside of Charleston, like the dance at Charleston, QSL.
Okay, QSL, Steve, QSL. Okay, the local time in Canary Island, 1731, Papa Mike, 190 degrees, around 190 degrees Celsius,
QSL, I'm at 12:31 a.m., p.m. We're sitting right at about 57 degrees as we speak there, QSL.
Yeah, okay. Call for me, Steve. Okay, my cubical water antenna to element. Yeah, and the radio, yes,
Roger, I'm using a Anytone Quad 5 Plus, little Texas Star MC250, getting about 150 whiskey, Delta M2 microphone, and a homebrew 5/8 ground plane sitting in about 22 feet, about 7 meters, QSL.
Yes, Steve. Okay, Steve. Congratulations for your station. Preparation today, up, down. Preparation, up, down. About, any concept, Steve.
Yeah, Roger, yeah, my conditions are up and down. Like I said, when you made the call on 555, I had you about 5 and 9, almost 10 plus, and then when we came up here, it dropped down, and sometimes you drop as low as about a 5.6, but then you back up to a 5.8 there, QSL.
Yes, QSL. 30 minutes now, 20 minutes with New York, 1 division, 1 division. But the preparation, up, down. Close preparation. Okay, Steve, thank you for the contact, 73, UDX, all the best, my friend. To Uniform Delta X-Ray, 483, 34 Alpha Bravo 01. Many thanks, Steve.
Roger, Santi, I'll log you in Cluster DX and 11 meter 34 Alpha Bravo 01. Santi, definitely good to talk with you again, and we'll look forward to the next time. 73s, 51s, and a click, my friend.
Many thanks, Steve.